What if I told you the reason you feel overwhelmed, distracted, and behind every single day comes down to what you do in the first 10 minutes after you wake up? Not your entire morning, not your whole routine, just 10 minutes. And right now, if you're like most people, you're spending those 10 minutes in the worst possible way, handing control of your entire day over to your phone before you've even taken a breath. Think about yesterday morning. Did you wake up in control of your day? Or did you immediately grab your phone, check your emails, scroll through social media, and dive straight into everyone else's problems? Be honest. Did you start your day for yourself? Or did you hand control over to the chaos right away? Here's what most people do, and this might sound familiar. Within 3 minutes of opening their eyes, their brain is in a state of reaction. You tell yourself you'll just check Instagram for a second, and suddenly, 20 minutes disappear. You open WhatsApp to reply to one message, and suddenly you're caught in 5 different conversations you didn't even need to open. You don't even mean to waste time. You scroll just for a minute, and before you know it, you're 5 reels deep and don't even remember how you got there. And here's the scary part. Once you start your day like that, your brain keeps chasing distractions for the next 12 to 16 hours. You're no longer in control. You're multitasking, but accomplishing nothing. You feel busy, but at the end of the day, you can't even remember what you did. That's why you feel scattered. That's why you feel behind before you even get out of bed. By 2 p.m., you're burned out and wondering where the day went, even though you've been busy the entire time. But the top 1%, they guard those first 10 minutes like gold. They know it's the most powerful window of the day, and they use it to take control before the chaos begins. And the difference it makes to their life is ridiculous. So why do high performers seem to move through their day with clarity, focus, and control, while everyone else is drowning in chaos? What do they know that you don't? It's not luck. It's not that they have more hours in the day, and it's definitely not because they're naturally more disciplined than you. It's that they choose what gets their attention first. Science refers to this as the mental setup window, the first few minutes after waking when your brain is most receptive to programming. Your mind is like wet cement. Whatever you pour into it first, that's what hardens. Start reactively. You wire it for chaos. You're training your brain to be distracted, to jump from one thing to another, to never finish what you start. Start intentionally. You program it for focus and control. You're teaching your brain to prioritize, to stay calm under pressure, to get things done without burning out. And once you understand this, you realize the first 10 minutes of your morning aren't just important. They're everything. They determine whether you'll lead your day or let your day lead you. And here's where almost everyone gets it wrong. People think they need a 2-hour morning routine, meditation apps, or a perfect environment to get control of their day. They see influencers waking up at 5 a.m., doing yoga, journaling for 30 minutes, meditating, taking cold showers, and drinking green smoothies. And they think, I could never do all that. So they do nothing. But in reality, all you need is 10 intentional minutes with no phone, no noise, no distractions. Just you and a plan. That's it. Not 2 hours, not a complex system. Just 10 minutes of clarity before the world gets access to you. And when you do this every day, it compounds. By the end of 7 days, you'll notice you're less reactive. You're calmer. You know exactly what to focus on. By the end of 30 days, you'll be making faster decisions, more productive without even trying harder, and handling stress like it's nothing. This isn't magic. It's momentum. And it all starts with protecting those first 10 minutes. So what do you actually do in those 10 minutes? What's the exact system that takes you from scattered and stressed to focused and in control? It's called the 10-minute morning planning ritual. And here's exactly how it works. Step 1. Before you touch your phone, before you check a single notification, grab a notebook and a pen. An actual notebook. There's something powerful about writing by hand. It forces you to slow down and think. Step 2. Write down your top 3 priorities for the day. Not a long list of things, just 3. These are the most important things you need to accomplish today. If you finish these 3 things, today was a win. Step 3. Now circle one of those 3 priorities and label it your non-negotiable task. This is the one thing that must get done today, no matter what. Even if everything else falls apart, this one thing happens. This is your anchor. Step 4. write down one thing you're grateful for or excited about. This could be as simple as your morning coffee, a conversation you're looking forward to, or progress you're making on a project. This shifts your brain from a state of stress and scarcity to one of gratitude and abundance. That's it. 4 simple steps. 10 minutes. Just you, a notebook, and total clarity. And when you do this consistently, everything changes. You stop reacting to your day. You start leading it. You know exactly what matters. You make faster decisions because you're not second-guessing yourself. You feel calmer because you're not juggling 50 things in your head. Do this for 7 days and you'll notice the shift. Your mornings feel different. You feel different. Do it for 30 days and you won't recognize the person you were before. And if you think you don't have 10 minutes, that's exactly why you need to start tomorrow. Your day is already controlling you. It's time to take it back. Do it tomorrow, and you'll already be in motion.